How to fix camera shutter lag on Moto G77. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on camera app, go back, again click on camera app, go back. So in or out camera app 1 to 3 times, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps and click on camera app. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and reset option and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera shutter lag on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.